Hi guys, I'm Dr. Andy. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the Hypervolt. It's a new addition to the practice. I was able to pick this up great deal on Black Friday last year. We use this in the office primarily for muscle issues. We've found that in terms of what might take me a half an hour of working on someone with my hands, just using this for a couple of minutes on their aching muscles has been a godsend literally for them and for my hands, of course. What this is, it's a percussive massager, and there's quite a few of them out there. What we've noticed, however, is this guy is just a whole lot quieter than the rest of them, so being able to use it in a clinical setting, it really goes a long way towards making us all happy. Particularly for desk workers and our teachers and even manufacturing jobs who do a lot of looking down and looking over, we develop a whole lot of upper back tension and pain, specifically in this upper trap muscles and even the rhomboids that are in between the shoulder blades. So if we're going to help this area, specifically the muscle issues, we just get in there and we don't even have to push very hard, and we do basically are able to give the patient a really good massage slash manual therapy slash muscle work right on these muscles, right exactly where it's hurting them the most. Typically our desk workers, when they're sitting at their computers and they're staring at their screens, their upper back and their neck are positioned in such a way that it puts tremendous amount of strain through here. Now, Miss Kim actually had just told me that she can't stand getting a massage. She doesn't actually like the feeling of it, but this guy literally works wonders for her. So if you have any questions, email me or comment below if you have any questions about the Hypervolt. Be happy to explain to you. If you want to try it for yourself, of course, just give us a call. Please remember, Burlington, to live with passion and not pain.